Mary's second trip.
Woohoo!
Out in the M4, the first time the camera wasn't working. So
Yeah, but it was short.
yeah, we only did one lap. So
That's right.
now we're warmed up and we'll.
That was just for me to find my handholds.
Yeah, so right there is really good.
Well, it's not really. I mean, it is.
Well, they might yell at you if your hand. You don't want your hand out of the car.
You're good.
Alrighty.
Oh boy, here we go.
Okay. Now we gotta look out for the plane.
Oh my God!
Anyways, what do you think?
Wow. That was different than the first ride.
Yeah, got a little heat in the tires.
Yeah. They seem faster too.
Yeah.
Woo.
That's the car I really want right there.
Ah, the Porsche.
GT3, but the new ones are about $230,000.
Oh boy.
That one's about 140, 150.
Yeah.
I'm also almost out of gas.
Oh well.
It says I got 15 miles left.
Whew. So you can get to the station before you go.
Yeah.
You just gas up over the hill by the.
Yeah, I'll get it on the way out. This is probably like, this is probably all I'll do today, unless you guys want to go out again. But
Oh, I appreciate this.
I think
that'll do me.
I think Chuck had enough, and I don't know how you feel.
I feel fine, but it was different. It was really different than the first time for me, and it does help to use this for sure. For me, if I ever win again, I might need the seat a little bit more forward.
Yeah, usually I would have you put the seat more forward, but there's a fire extinguisher there.
Yeah, I saw that.
And it can only go forward so much.
Yeah. So what was happening to me a little bit, and I think it's because of just my size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're
is I
small.
was hanging on good, which was fine, but on some of those it was like my head almost went.
Oh jeez.
Kind of went out here.
Flying out of.
Yeah.
Flying out of the car.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh man.
So but I learned how to compensate for the that only happened to me once or twice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now is that your friend's car, the one that rolled?
No.
No. Okay.
That one's in great looking shape. That's my friend Bennett. His control arm, one of his parts broke on his car.
Oh.
Something weird, and he pulled in.
Woo!
Awesome.
Awesome. Oops. Well, anyway.
Thanks for riding. Ugh.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so get the camera and take a picture. Will you get my camera and take a picture?
Oh. My aunt came out to get a ride along, so. That's fun. Yeah. Her and her boyfriend, so we gave him a ripper. Some 20 I think we pulled out some 23-second lap times for a first time in a fast car. That's
pretty fast.
It's gonna be scary.
I bet the braking was pretty intense.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It was fun.
My legs are a little, not my legs, my rear end's a little jelly-like.
Oh yeah.
That didn't happen.
It's a lot of G-forces.
Yeah, well, I was really using my legs against the inside of the car to help.
Yeah, that helped.
Along with holding in both places.
Yeah.
And trying to keep my head from going out the window.
It's pretty wild. Like the braking G-force. I would say the braking G-force, and then.
That's what most people don't expect is how.
Yeah.
How late you can brake, right?
Yeah.
You're like, are we really gonna stop?
Yeah.
Yeah, right now.
Well, and there was a car that was real close to there for a while before he got over.
Oh yeah.
And let us go by.
Little Miata.
Yeah.
Yep, you got to put the pressure on to let them know you're there.